was the arse slap.
This is the way of life. This is the way we want to live. What? Actually, like, you just get on solid. Just aim to, like, get... Like, try harder. Try harder. Wait for that. Shit's scared. Oh, fuck off. Try harder. Put on. Okay, yeah. God, you got balance like a woman. Good. Fucking hell, yeah. Bend your knees. And you stuck with it. At the size of the wheel, 50. What about I can ski, I can skateboard. No, not skateboard. Snowboard. What I'm saying is, and I can rollerblade, but I've never done this. Is this the right size board for you? I have no fucking idea. I've no fucking idea. It's raining, man. It's raining, Matt. It's raining.
Gee, little suit and tie, dude.
I know, man.
You know how to do it.
Oh, I did it anyway.
Do that now. Black.